So I haven't worked on this repo for a while, so I should do something for it, and that's why I'm doing this today. Let's go to this, maybe. Alright. Can you see properly? I'm not sure. What? Alright, so I don't even remember what my Gmail branch was about, so I'm going to just merge that to main, and then we go from there. So let's go back here. Go to Gmail branch. What in the world? This is 9 commits ahead of main, or 9 commits behind main. Alright, let's try and rebase this first. Hopefully we can do that. No. Git pull. I have no idea how to fix this. Oh no. I don't know what I'm doing. What is happening here? What is happening? Git status. Alright, let's go back to UI. I'm just gonna contribute to this and who knows what happens. Is it what's going on? What are the commits that I made actually? Did I do this already? What did I do? What is happening here? I don't even... Looks like main has everything I want. What is going on? Alright, save changes, what's happening? Oh. What? First, wait, this is a private repository? Wait, how did this become a private? I am confused. How did this happen? What in the world? Yeah, whatever. What's going on? What? How was it private? Anyway, I don't really understand what's in the Gmail branch. It's 9 commits behind. Wait, what? Oh, I guess I could make a pull request to this? I'm confused. You know what? I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna delete this branch because main seems to have everything I need. So I'm just gonna delete that. Alright, so in this video, what am I doing? So I have the makings of a Rust server. Currently it only just has a HTTP server that doesn't really do anything. But we have a HTTP server that I could run. And all it does right now is just expose some endpoints. But what we want to make is a Gmail API service, and I need to be able to, and this is also part of I'm going to be managing my issues like this. So I want to build a Gmail service to do a bunch of things with Gmail, and you know, it's a lot of things going on, and I've kind of broken it down into like 34 different tasks, and this is the issue that's going to track them. And in this video we're just going to resolve the first issue, which is just create the initial setup for the directory structure. So some context and background. Since I don't really know how to implement this in Rust, what I'm doing right now. Oh. What I'm doing right now is, where's the repository? So not this. this. No, not that. Yes. Hello? Anyway, so right now this is actually board extensive. Looks like I closed it, but the context is that there's this repository, Google API Rust. It looks like there's a bunch of Google APIs bindings for Rust. And I was thinking I could just use this, except I don't like the way it's structured. And that is, for example, you have this API file that has like, I think you can scroll this. Nope. Oh, right here. 26,000 lines of whatever's going on. And so I don't like this. So we're still going to use this, but we're going to kind of learn from it. And so the point of this is, if you look at the issue, is we're going to build our own Gmail plugin, learning a lot from that repository. But we're going to modularize everything. Right, so we don't have just one file with all the code doing, I don't know what it's doing. And so I've kind of broken it down into how I want it to be. And the first step is the simplest step, and that is just declaring our directory and the files of that directory. And so actually this is the issue for the first step, and all I'm going to do is just set up the directory structure, and this is the files I think I might need. Basically this is all I'm going to do for this video. Now if you're wondering where I got all this information, this is all I just prompted. I can show you the prompt. What is it called? We're here. So basically, I was like, it's generating some crap. You can't see this because it didn't switch. Anyway, so actually I literally just asked ChatGPT because I still use this. Whoa. Basically, I just told it the way I'm thinking about it, and that is, I mean, there's a lot going on. What did I tell it? What the? Oh, here it is. Oh yeah, so basically I just told it if it knows about the repo. I asked if it has the repo in the data set, and I gave it some example. And the only thing I need is just for it to give me, you know, an issue breakdown. So this is ChatGPT content, by the way. I'm gonna do a type tracing. Boom, boom, boom. What are we doing? Oh. Let me do a simple type trace. I'm getting bored. Come on. I'm never getting better at this. Terrible. Anyway, so let me think, does this make sense to me? So I'm gonna have like a client file, an auth file, a scope, Gmail. Oh, we're missing an errors and a config. Oh, that's funny. So basically in this video all I'm going to do is just create files. So now what are we doing? So a branch am I in? So I'm going to create a new branch. And then what are we doing? I guess I'll go to liquid bin. Right. Oh, I can't actually do this, can I? I don't know if you can create a file within Vim. I don't think so. I mean, I don't know how to. So actually, I have to go here. And then I have to do source. Oh, yeah, I'm actually just creating files today. Yeah. And one thing I'm curious about, so they're gonna be empty files. I'm not adding any code to to them. Whoa. If I create an empty, first I need well, does he usually cry because there's an empty file? Is that how it works? Actually, I don't know what that is. I just need irs. Actually, then I can touch. And then we have make directory. I should probably do touch mod.rs, then types mod.rs. And basically my plan is to kind of illustrate so take these 20,000 lines and kind of figure out which ones are kind of like a family of the same thing and place them in a modular file, and then scrutinize what they do and figure out whether I actually need it, because this is far more extensive than I actually need. And yeah, that will be the next step. So actually, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna write any Rust code. So this is literally just me copying files. That's the entire stream, huh? Interesting. I don't feel like, okay, so delete messages. Let's start this. No. Right, so I added the files. Now the files are empty, obviously, but I think that's enough to do a pull request for this. And actually, GitHub will not even pick up the files if they're empty, I think. Oh no, it will. It will. It just doesn't pick up empty directories. Looking at the issue, what do I want here? Oh yeah, okay, so I just need to Yep, I think that's good enough. No. And then just create a pull request, and why was that up? Anyway, interesting. That is. I don't know. Whatever. We can create a milestone. And then I'm going to go to issues here, and that guy, and this guy, and we need to link this to this guy. That is dead, huh? Should be part of this milestone. I did set you up. Yep. And you as well. Apply that and this milestone. And think that starts, and then finally you. You and you. Okay. And now if I go to the pull request, it should be here. Whatever, I'm just gonna merge it. Obviously test will fail because nothing is actually working, and yeah, you can't build, so alright, and then those issues should be resolved now. Correct, yep. And we did that. So we set up the directory structure. And yeah, so this was just a proof of concept of I'm gonna use GitHub to manage my task, and it looks nice. I can set up an issue, I can set up milestones, and then I can create new issues from that issue, and then I can resolve them all with a pull request. It's a very nice workflow. I like it.